Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my slow English speaking video. In this video, I will share with you guys how can you practice English alone like me. In that case, you don't need any speaking practice partner. You can practice English alone like me. I mean, you can practice English by yourself. Okay, so let's get started. If you don't have any English speaking practice partner, in that case, you can practice English alone by yourself. So you have to know how is it possible. So you can practice like me. If you want, then you can just go outside and hold your camera like me. I'm holding my camera right now, and then try to say something in front of your camera. It can be anything. When I was beginner, in that time I could not speak English well. So in that time I just opened my camera and I just said like, hello guys, how are you? I'm fine, and you? Like that. So you can say anything, whatever you like. Believe me or not, if you start from today and if you make video every day, I mean continuously, after 2 months later, 30 and 30, 60 days later, you will be surprised when you will see your progress. When you will see your progress, in that time you will be surprised. Believe me. Yeah. And there is no any shortcut way. So just go outside and hold your camera and try to say something in front of your camera. And this is the way how can you learn English very easily. How can you practice English alone. You don't need any speaking practice partner. Okay, so or you can practice in front of mirror. You can just stand in front of mirror, and after that you can just say something in front of the mirror. You can say anything, whatever you like, but you have to practice. You have to say something. Just in this way I can remove my shyness, and it's morning time, so no one is here, and that is why I just selected this place because of it. As you can see, it's very beautiful place, right? Just look around me, and there is no one is here. That is why I can speak here loudly and clearly, so that this way I'm improving myself, so you can follow it. And that's it for today. Have a good day, and yeah, thank you for watching me.